how do we add numbers without putting carry? So, meron tayong dalawang way. Pwedeng dito ka mag-start sa left side going to the right, or pwede kang mag-start from the right going to the left. So, try muna natin dito from left to right. So, this is 3 plus 4, 7. 9 plus 6, 15. So, dito mo ilalagay. Instead of writing the carry, lagay mo na lang 15. Tas 5 times 7, 12. And then you add 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. So, the answer is 862. You can also start from here, from right to left. 5 plus 7, 12. 9 plus 6, 15. 3 plus 4, 7. Tapos i-plus mo. So, that is 2. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 7 is 8. So, same answer pa rin.